In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Firefox new tab background image in just a few simple steps. If you want to make your Firefox new tab look more personal, cleaner, or just better match with your style, this is a quick and easy customization you can do in seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go ahead and open a new tab. You can do that by pressing Ctrl and T on your keyboard or by clicking the New Tab Plus button at the top of the browser. This will take you to the Firefox homepage, which is where the customization settings are available. Now, on the Firefox new tab page, look to the bottom right corner and click the Customize button. This is where Firefox gives you control over the look and feel of your homepage and new tab page. After the customization panel opens, look for the wallpaper option and turn the wallpaper toggle on. This enables background images on your Firefox new tab page. Once the wallpaper setting is enabled, click Add an image. Firefox will now let you choose a picture from your computer. Browse through your files, select the image you want to use as your new tab background, and then click Open. As soon as you do that, Firefox should apply the image to your new tab background automatically. You can now see your custom wallpaper every time you open a new tab. If you want, you can go back and change it again anytime by repeating these same steps and selecting a different image. This is a great way to personalize your browser and make it feel more like your own workspace. So to quickly recap, open Firefox, open a new tab, click Customize, turn on the wallpaper toggle, choose Add an image, select your picture, and click Open. And that's it. You've successfully changed the Firefox new tab background image. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more Firefox customization tips next.